In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 to $150 a day with CPA marketing. And as you can see in this account, I'm averaging over $100 a day. I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video. And for those who might be doubting, I'm just going to simply refresh the page right now, and we are going to wait and see if everything remains the same. So as you can see right here, everything is exactly the same. So I'm going to show you how any beginner can literally use this strategy I'm about to lay out in this video and start making money with CPA marketing. All right. So I'm going to show you how you can also get everything done. As you can see, we just got another lead of $2.68. Okay. So I'm going to click out of this, and as you can see, $700 in this account. And I'm going to show you exactly and you can also start making money irrespective of the CPA network you decide to work with. Okay. The very first step is creating a content locker. And for those who don't know what a content locker is, it's basically a tool that lets you monetize your traffic. So what this locker is going to be doing for us is simply letting us put a content behind the locker, and people need to complete CPA offers in order to access that content for absolutely free. So you want to simply go over to platforms like adbluemedia.com, or you can use ogads.com, as you can see on our screen. And also you can come over to cpagroup.com as well. You can use any of these platforms to create a content locker, and the process is very similar. So in this video, I'm going to be taking ogads.com as an example. All right. So once you go over to the OG Ads platform and create an account, your dashboard should look like this. And in order to create a content locker, all you need to do is to come over to the tools section, and you want to scroll down here to where it says incentive tool. And you can see there are so many tools you can use right here. But in this video, we are going to focus only on content lockers. So you want to click on it. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you simply need to do here is to click on create a content locker. And just like that, it's going to bring you here, and this is where you want to enter the details of your content locker. However, before you create a content locker, you need to pick a niche, and you need to have content you want to give out to people in return for them to complete these CPA offers. And to do that, you want to head over to this website, hotukdeals.com. And this is a website where we are going to be getting content which we will be giving away to people in return for them to complete CPA offers. And once you are on this website, all you need to do is to click on freebies. Basically, this website lets us find free content people can simply get away for free. So all you simply need to do is to scroll through this list, and you're going to see various freebies you can start giving away to people, and you can have them complete a content locker before they get access to the freebie. All right, so you can see this section here that says hottest deals. As you can see right here, these are absolutely free content people are currently looking for online for free, and you can basically give it away to them in return for them to complete an offer. So you can click on this, and you're going to see a lot of offers right here. You can give it away to people. You can see this free Steam points offer right here, which people can get for free. All you need to do is to put it behind a locker. So you can basically keep scrolling through this list, and you're going to find a lot of content. So now as you can see right here, this is a Fortnite offer right here, which is giving people free Fortnite pack. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. Okay, so as you can see right here, this offer is giving away this pack to people. So if I click on it, as you can see right here, people can subscribe to this for absolutely free, and they can get this pack on Fortnite without having to pay any money. And I can assure you, so many people are looking to get this pack for free. As you can see, this deal expires on September 2025. So you can start promoting this right away and start making money. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay. So now if we scroll down here, as you can see, people can actually leave comment on this post as well. As you can see right here, this person says, thank you, they got it for free. And if I scroll down here again, you can see this person right here say they got it ordered with no issue. All right. So all you just need to do here is to simply copy the link to this page. So the next thing you then want to do is to come back to your content locker page. All you just need to do is to scroll down to the bottom to where it says redirect URL. And this is where you want to simply paste in that link. It's that simple. And once you're done with that, the next thing you want to then do is to give your locker a name. And the next thing you want to then do is to go to the advanced section. And this is where you want to choose the amount of offers you want people to complete before they get access to that link. Okay, so for me, I usually set it to 2. You can select any figure of your choice. This is really up to you. So once that is done, you want to then come over to where you want to add title and description of the locker. So you want to then simply type in something very simple like this. And like I said, this is going to depend on the offer you are promoting. So you want to make sure your call to action is captivating and it's going to entice people to want to complete the offer. So as you can see, I typed in something very simple like this: get free Fortnite Emerald Gamer Pack at $0. Okay. And here you want to add a description for the content locker like this. Just complete any 2 sponsored offers below to get the pack for free. All right. So that is all you simply need to do on your locker. And all you need to do is to click on create locker. It's that simple. And just like that, it's going to bring you to this page. And all you need to do here is to copy your content locker link. So the next thing you want to do is to then create a landing page for this content locker. This is very important as this is going to increase your conversion rate and it's going to make you look more professional. So there are various ways you can create landing pages. You can use Linktree to create a landing page, or you can use Google Sites, or you can use any other landing page builder of your choice. Okay. So you can simply come over to sites.google and you can just click on the start a new site right here and create a landing page in less than 5 minutes. However, if you are lazy and you don't have a lot of time, you can simply use Linktree to create a landing page. It's absolutely free. So you can use Linktree to do this. It's very, very simple. Once you create your account, just go over to the link section and you can add basic information like this. You can add a logo related to that offer. You can add a simple text like this. If you click on it, as you can see, you can edit any of these texts depending on the offer you are promoting. Okay. Then you want to come over to this section where you want to then add your link. If you are using OG Art, I highly recommend to shorten the link by simply going over to tinyurl.com. So once you shorten the content locker link, all you need to do is to paste it right here. It's that simple. Okay. And also something else you can do is to come over to the thumbnail section. And here you can add an image that is related to the offer as well. So this is how easy you can create landing page in a few minutes. So once you create your landing page, you're going to see your link at the top right here. All you just simply need to do is to copy your link. Okay. So once you copy your link, that takes us to the next step where you want to start driving traffic. So one of the best traffic source you can use to start getting instant traffic is Facebook groups. And the reason is because these groups are highly targeted of users who are interested in that particular offer. So once you make a post in such groups, you are likely to get a lot of clicks because these people are already interested in this offer. Okay. So all you need to do is to type in Fortnite like this. And once you do that, the next thing you want to then do is to make sure to filter to groups. And this way, it's going to show you only Fortnite related groups where you can simply start joining all of these groups and start promoting that offer. And you don't want to go over to these groups to start spamming your links. So I'm going to show you an example of how to post on these Facebook groups so that your post gets approved and you can start making money right away. Okay, so let's take this group here as an example. So if I click on this group, so now once you come to the Facebook group, like I promised, I'm going to show you exactly how to post on Facebook groups and get approved almost 99% of the time. This is what I use and this is what is currently working. Okay. So once you come over to the Facebook groups, you want to get ideas from what is already working. And what I mean by this is you want to take a look at the posts that are getting approved in that group. So you want to simply scroll down like this and you're going to see all the posts and you're going to also see the engagement each of the posts is also getting as well. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to take an example of how you should post on this Facebook group. So you can see this one right here. This is an example of a simple post that got approved right here. You can see this one says, does anyone know if the Battle SUV is going to be free? And you can basically get idea from this type of post. And also, if you take a look at this post, you can see a lot of people are engaging with this post. Just 6 hours ago, over 38 comments on this post. All right, and you can see the engagement as well. Okay, all you just need to do is to make a similar post like this one, and I can assure you your post is going to likely get approved. As you can see, this person is not promoting any affiliate link. And once your post gets approved, you want to then come over to the comment section, and you can then provide people a link telling them you found it on a website. Okay, so once people start engaging with this comment, they are going to see the link. And also, you can combine this strategy with using short videos. And I already made a video on how to create a short video you can post on YouTube Shorts, or you can post on Instagram Reels. So I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen right now.